Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the phone is Michael and Teddy and Ginger. Come here, boys. Come here, girls. And these are my little friends, Teddy and Ginger. Okay, guys, and with that, I gotta let you guys know that today is Friday. And we're like 2 days before Halloween.
That's right.
And we just started getting a couple of things.
Halloween.
Taking all my stuff out, but I still have a lot of stuff that I gotta get out. And I'm starting to put my decorations for, you know, fall season and all that. But anyway, today I wanted to show you guys how to make fried chicken sandwiches, okay? Now these are water rolls.
What's that?
That means that
They're in water? They're in water?
Well, they just, that's all they have, you know, water rolls. So they're it's like fine flour, with fine flour, just water rolls, okay? They're not like baguettes or French bread, nothing like that. They're very, very light and fluffy. Okay, so I want to show you guys how to make chicken sandwiches my way. So what I did was I took like 5 cloves of garlic.
That's right.
I smash it. I told you guys how I do my garlic. I take my knife.
That's right.
And instead of going in it, I like to take my knife, hit it. And when you hit it,
I thought you were gonna cut it.
automatically the skin.
You could smash it too. That works.
The skin comes off. You know what I'm saying? You see?
That's right.
The skin
Actually,
comes
right away.
off. Exactly.
Yep.
And all you gotta do is shove. And you go and you put it in there. Let me make sure that the skin doesn't go inside my bowl.
Yeah, you don't want no skin in your seasonings.
Yeah, like the wrap of where the garlic is. Well, anyways.
No go.
So what I did was I put that and then I put a whole bunch of garlic, and you know how I do with my garlic.
Garlic.
Oh, no, this is
we keep the vampires away.
What did I do with my oregano right here?
Right there.
Sorry, guys.
All right.
So that's garlic.
That's
and
right.
What you see in there is oregano.
Yes.
So like I was saying before, I always go like this with my fingers, see?
Yep.
And
That's called a pinch, guys. A pinch.
And you like crush it with your hands.
That's
with
right.
Your fingers between your thumb, your index, and you know, these 3 fingers, like that. And then so then this is the chicken.
All right.
Okay, this is the package. You can see in my garbage.
Deveined and everything.
So what I did was I took the chicken and I sliced it like that. Now what I'm gonna do with the chicken is
what we gonna do?
we're gonna throw it all
right.
in here.
Yes.
See? And we want all this chicken.
Already looks good.
Yeah. We want to wrap it around all that garlic and oregano. It still doesn't have the salt and the pepper.
Right.
Okay? But you see it's dry. You want to make sure that when you fry chicken, you want to make sure that it's nice and dry. I'm not going to bread it.
That's right.
Because, I mean, you're putting it in bread. So are you going to bread it? So you're going to have breaded chicken with breaded, you know what I'm saying? And then, so this is my salt.
Ooh.
So I'm just going to eyeball
Salt
it. A little bit like that. Oops.
All right.
That was a little bit. No, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Because it has, you know what I'm saying?
Gonna marinate.
Both sides, and I'm gonna taste it anyway to make sure. And then with your hands, okay?
And by the way, everybody.
And then I'm gonna take my pepper.
My mom is very clean.
Okay.
She washes her hands 30 times a day.
I know.
That's a fact.
Everybody should know that. You know, it doesn't matter.
Anybody who knows,
you're always gonna have some people that are gonna say, "Oh, you're disgusting and you're this." Well, you know what? I don't think I am, though.
No.
And anyways,
not at all.
You know, it's not like I'm serving food for the public or anything like that. This is for my family.
But if she was, her hands are super clean.
No, they are clean.
Perfect.
But anyways, it doesn't matter. Everybody has the right to say
mix it
what they
up.
want, right?
That's right.
You're always going to have haters out there that don't like you. Hold on.
Opinions.
So I go like that. You see?
And that's how you know?
You have to. And I'm only feeding my husband, my kids, and myself.
Is it perfecto?
Mm-hmm. And
all right.
then I'm going to put a little bit more pepper. So what I do is salt, pepper, oregano, and real garlic, guys. Okay?
Wow, that's beautiful.
Okay. So that's it. That's all you need. Okay?
That's
so
right.
then I'm gonna let me take this,
slap it, and you know it's done.
Like that real fast.
That's right.
And I gotta tell you guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to keep on following us like you are. Always patient and always looking for another episode to watch. It makes me very proud. It gives me joy in my heart that
18 months on the 30th.
But anyway, so this is my chicken here. If you want, you can always put it in the fridge and marinate it. You cover it for a couple of hours. Because the more you marinate, and that means marinate means seasoning the meat and putting it away. So all the seasoning, all the flavors
come together.
And exactly.
Yeah.
So anyway, so what I'm gonna do now is just gonna retrieve one of my frying pans. They're clean because I'm always cleaning all my stuff. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil because we're kind of like gonna sear, you know, the chicken.
That's right.
And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it hot. And before I go in, so this is going to be another little thing. So before I fry it, okay, this is the onions. This is what I did. Michael, come here.
Oh, I'm taking a look at those onions.
I took 4 yellow onions like
All right.
this. You can cut them any way you want, lengthwise, because it's going to be fried chicken sandwich with sweet onions on the top.
Yes.
So what you do is,
how you get them like
put
that?
your onion. I took 4 little onions like that. Okay, and I chop them. I put them in the pan with half a stick of butter.
Check.
And then when it was reduced, you gotta put it on low, and you gotta move it. You don't want them to burn or anything like that. You want them kind of like to get soggy.
That's right.
And like when you see them like they're getting like dizzy, the onions. Then what you do is you put one cup of brown sugar.
All right.
Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna let this
marinate.
No,
simmer.
Dry.
Yes.
Why do you say that? Like reduce?
Yes.
You have to reduce the thing because this has to be kind of like more dry, so when I put it on the sandwich it's going to look real pretty.
That's right.
But for now we're going to put it on 4.
All right.
Like a little bit lower than medium.
That's right.
And then we're going to come back here.
All right.
Now before I put that chicken in, guys, Michael?
Yes?
I got to put...
Looking at the chicken?
On, because if I don't put my
that's
jacket
right.
on, yeah, if I don't put this on, I can
Her
burn
chef jacket.
First I can burn, I'm not a chef. I can burn myself. And I don't want to do that. I say I'm a fine cook. Yeah, I'm proud of saying that.
I say you're a chef. Cook. Guys, comment in the comment section down below
I can
if
cook just about
she's a
anything.
cook or a chef.
And if I don't know,
the people will tell us.
You just tell me, make it like this, and I can repeat your recipe.
That's right. We take recommendations, guys
and it's
gals.
good. You feed. I'm telling you, man. I'm cooking so good lately that nobody wants to go out to eat anymore.
Nope.
We're like, oh, they're serving that. We go to certain restaurants that a lot of us know the name of it, but I'm just not gonna say, like, you know. And you go eat the food, and I'm like, my husband was like, your meatballs are better than the meatballs here, and I'm like, yeah, I know. Well, anyways, you know, props to that, and
kudos.
That's because of you guys. Kudos to that. I like everybody, you know. But anyways, so I'm gonna let you guys go. This has to get really hot, and then I'm just, you guys gonna see me throughout the video frying these, and when I'm done frying them and I'm ready to put make the sandwiches and everything is ready, then we're gonna come back live. So you guys are gonna see me frying this, and you guys are gonna see me cutting the bread. Because I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna put them in the oven so they can get nice and toasty. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. What happened, Michael? Like us on Instagram and on Facebook, on Twitter, on Google+, Patreon if you want to donate $1 or not, lifeabundance.com for all. It's a link down below if you want anything for your little puppies and friends at home. But with that, I'm going to let you guys go, and we'll come back when everything is done to serve you that delicious chicken sandwich with seed onions on the top. Thanks for watching. Was too small, so I put the chicken in this other pan. You know, you see they're getting hot, they're starting to cook on the other side, but yeah, so I put it here because the oil was spilling and there was a lot of smoke. I will be right back. Before people, I changed the pan because the other pan, you know, it has like little garlic. Get back, Michael. So this is what happened. Don't go away, we'll be right back after all of it is done. We're going to be transferring this again, and look what I'm talking about, because I put real garlic. It's going up, and I don't want to, like, you know what I'm saying?
Woo, smells so good.
I know, but let me put this here.
Wish you had smell-o-vision, everybody.
And again, sorry about that, guys, but when I'm done, there you go. See, now, because this caldero is higher, you know, and wider, even if the garlic jumps up, it doesn't matter. I don't want to burn. I was wiping the stove 5 million times. Okay? We'll be right back. You see, after it reduces, they're supposed to look something like this. See? Okay. Right in the oven for like 1 minute. So I'm gonna chop all the chicken just like this. It's very hot, all of it. Thanks for coming back. As you guys can see, you guys saw all the clips one after another until we were done with it. And this is what the chicken is gonna look like, and nice and fried. Look at this. I'm just gonna eat another piece. You want a piece, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Yes. So what we're gonna do now? I wash my hands again.
That's right. For the 50th time.
I did what? I went with my finger like that and took some of the flour, the soft stuff, on both of them, and I put this in the oven. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna lay the chicken like this. See how I cut it in slices?
Oh yeah.
See? There you go. So each piece, I'm gonna put 6 little pieces like that. Now I'm gonna take my spoon. Hold on, guys. This is so good that I forgot that I'm like doing this for you guys. Well, for all of us, I mean, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so here we go. So what we're gonna do. So you take some onions.
That caramelized
And you lay them,
onions,
caramelized onions, sweet onions, like this, you know, and you put your respective sauce. You don't want to put a lot because you don't want to like overpower it, you know, but you want a little taste of that. And then you're going to take this sandwich with your knife. Remember, I put the rolls in the oven for 1 minute. You hear that knife?
Oh yeah.
Oh. And it's supposed to look something like this. And I'm gonna do another one because these are for my husband, like I said. Do we have things, Michael? Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Toothpicks. You put a couple of toothpicks to hold them until it gets to their destination,
That's right.
which is to the office upstairs.
And don't choke on those toothpicks. Make sure you take them out before eating the sandwich.
Take them out. If you give them to anyone, remind
To make sure you
them.
tell your loved one.
Yeah, you know. Well, you know.
Or brother.
You can't really like
friend.
put, but as you can see that. I just can't help but licking my fingers. I'm not gonna be able to have any of that, but I'm sure I'm gonna have some of this chicken, and I'm gonna make some lettuce and tomatoes and cucumbers, and that's what I will be eating.
That's right.
Okay.
Because she can't have
So
bread,
let me
guys.
put- you know I can't.
And
So here we go.
no starch of any kind. No vegetable starch. No rice starch. No
And then
potato
this
starch.
is the second one here.
Yes.
You know, so I guess he's only gonna eat 1.5, Mike. You know
That's
how
right.
that is. You'll be 2, right? You give him 2 sandwiches, he's funny. He goes, 2, that's too much, right, Mike?
That's right.
And I'm like, no, it's not. I gotta put a little more, Mike. Sorry. You know, it's for your father, right?
That's
and
right.
then just close it. And the bread is nice and toasty. I like to cut them like this in an angle. There you go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give, let's see, the smallest one to Mike. You know what, Michael? You
Save
can
mine
have
for
one of
later.
these. Here, eat this one now so people can hear you, you know, going crunch, crunch, crunch. Wait.
All
And
right.
I'll take the things out.
Here, go ahead.
You can keep on talking to everybody as I tell
All right.
everybody.
Well,
to
I'm
don't
gonna try
forget
it,
to
everybody. You
subscribe
ready?
And all that. Go
Hold on.
ahead and take a crunch. I can hear it from over here.
Okay,
So this
show
is
me.
what it's supposed to look, guys.
Now show me.
Don't forget to subscribe. I want to show Michael. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google Plus, and Pinterest. If you want to donate $1, go down below to patreon.com. You can click on that and donate $1 or don't. And also we have livesabundance.com, some food for your little puppies and pets. Look at Michael. Michael always eats all day long and he doesn't gain 1 pound. Look how skinny Michael is. Yeah. Michael, stop playing around. But anyway, how's that, Mike? Good?
Too good.
Looks
I
pretty
wish
good to
everybody
me.
could
Let me
try
show this so you guys can see. There you go. There you go. As you guys can see, look at that. Look at that. It is going to be absolutely amazing. Here you go. Hold that.
There you go.
So with that, I'm going to let everybody go. You know what to do.
That's
Love
right.
you all. It's Friday. Don't drink and drive. If I don't make them tonight, tomorrow we're going to make some Halloween cookies, okay? Some pumpkin Halloween cookies. Love you all. Peace out. Have a great night.